a Darwin's Rhea. South America's answer to the ostrich. 3 feet tall, it's one of the largest birds in the world. And this supersized male is father to a supersized family. Most birds share parenting duties. But with Rheas, things are different. After laying the eggs, the females leave. So it's up to Dad to raise the family alone. For 40 days and 40 nights, they barely move. By late spring, Dad's efforts have been rewarded. 14 healthy chicks. Now, the real work begins. It will be 6 months before his chicks are independent, and they have a lot to learn, like what's good to eat and how to keep well-groomed. But the most important lesson is to stick together. Out here, it's easy to get lost, and keen-eyed hawks would soon grab a lone chick. This neighbor has only 3 chicks left. And for our dad, it's a warning. Keep your family close. What is that? It's a distress call from a chick, but not one of his. That's no problem for this super dad. Male Rheas have such strong paternal instinct that if they find any lost chick, they will adopt it on the spot.